Hello everyone. I have prepared this dictation of 500 words at the speed of 90 words per minute. If you guys practice this thoroughly and sincerely, then the required speed of 80 words per minute for Rajasthan District Code exam will definitely seem very easy to write. Practice this passage multiple times to gain perfection. All the best.
Challenge the order dated 6th May 2016 and in turn the notice dated 27th April 2016. Goyal Enterprises Limited has approached this court full stop. The petitioner company was issued a notice on 27th April 2016 intimating that the information in possession of the revenue suggests that income chargeable to tax for the assessment year 2016-17 escaped assessment within the meaning of Section 147 of the Income Tax Act 1961 full stop. Along with this notice under Section 148A, the documents in possession of the revenue were supplied to the petitioner company full stop. But before that, on the basis of the verification, details an inquiry was conducted and opportunity was provided to the petitioner company to furnish its explanation full stop stanza. The inquiry report referred to 10 plots sold during the assessment year 2015-16, the considerations for which are said to have been received in cash full stop. The inquiry report further recorded that 10 plots in Jodhpur were sold to different individuals and the sale deeds were registered between 17th March 2015 to 13th October 2015 full stop. Mr. Ram Sarup Meena, the learned counsel for the petitioner company, has raised twofold contentions. No opportunity of hearing was given to the petitioner company and the reply furnished by the petitioner company was not at all considered while arriving at a conclusion that the amount of rupees 50,60,000 allegedly received in cash is required to be reassessed full stop. In support of his submissions, the learned counsel for the petitioner company referred the judgments decided on 20 January 1998 full stop. Per contra, the learned counsel for the revenue contended that at the stage of issuing notice under Section 148, the IT Act contemplates a limited inquiry to ascertain the existence of information that may suggest that the income chargeable to tax has escaped assessment and the SSC then is given opportunity to raise his defense during the assessment proceedings and therefore no prejudice has been caused to the petitioner company full stop stanza. The learned counsel for the revenue has also referred to the decision rendered by a division bench of this court in DB Civil Miscellaneous Application number 62 of 2013 and submits that the issue raised by the petitioner company stands conclusively decided by this court full stop. The requirement of natural justice, that is to say providing an opportunity of hearing, does not mean that the SSC should be given personal hearing full stop. The words employed under Section 148 indicate that the SSC should be afforded an opportunity of being heard by way of show cause notice and a personal hearing in any form is not contemplated thereunder, full stop. This is not in dispute that in response to the show cause notice dated 27th March 2015, the petitioner company submitted its reply on 3rd June 2015, a reference of which we find in the order dated 7th April 2015 at page 128 of the paper book, full stop. As to the plea that there is no consideration of the stand taken by the petitioner company in the order dated 8th March 2015, we may indicate that in a quasi-judicial proceeding, it is not necessary that at the interlocutory stage the statutory authority must reflect to every stand of the SSC and record his considerations point-wise, full stop.